darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone. Narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. And when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light, it split the net and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared disturb the song of silence. Fool, said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. In my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. In the silent flesh, God is warning. In the words that was foreign, in the signs that the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whisper in the sound